So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a free virtual Visa card. And with this virtual card, you'll be topping up money using crypto. So in short, it is a crypto card, something like that. Okay. But in this video, the method I'm going to show you does work in Africa. I myself are from Zambia, and it's going to work for you wherever you are. So which platform does provide these cards? Well, in today's video, we're going to use, no one's. So I'm not sure how everyone pronounces this, but it is like it's written like this. So all you need to do is, visit this platform, create an account, and verify it, and you'll be able to get it for free. You don't have to pay anything. So this platform is simply a peer-to-peer crypto exchange where you can buy and sell crypto. So they also offer these cards. So for Binance, yes, Binance does offer, but those cards they are not available for everyone. They're only available in a few selected countries, and being African, we're always the last people to receive such features. So, but with this platform, the no ones will be able to get it for free. So all you have to do is simply click on Visa card. And this card will work on Netflix, will work on Amazon, will work on iCloud, will work anywhere. Okay. So the minimum you can deposit in this card is $10. And you can withdraw money from it for free. There are no fees. Also, when adding money to this wallet, there is a fee of 2 USDT, 1.5%. I think in this case, whichever is greater becomes the fee. So I know I said that it's free. Well, yes, it is free, but you still have to pay an activation fee, which is just once of 1 USDT, which is pretty affordable, I think, for everyone. So I think this is the best that you can get. There is no monthly fees that you have to keep on paying to keep the card active. No, you only pay an activation fee of $1, and the card is all yours, and simply top up money using USDT. So you can buy the USDT directly here on this same platform, or if you're from Zambia, you can simply contact me on WhatsApp, and I can sell it to you, and you'll be able to get these cards and use it for other things. So it's good if you don't have a bank account, or just want to buy some stuff, like connect maybe to other stuff that you want to connect your real bank account card, that will work for you. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. This is Keith. Bye for now.